Hello everybody, welcome to channel K Learning Again. Before we go into the topic, please you like and subscribe the channel K Learning Again. For who haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like. This video I would like to inform you and just share the information. Tomorrow I will create a new video for installing SQL Server on my PC. Currently my PC have one install SQL Server yet, so tomorrow I will guide all of you how to set up or how to install SQL Server on my PC and how to change the SQL port. The SQL port, the default SQL port is 13. Oh no, sorry. The default port of SQL Server is 1433. Then you can change to another port because we refer to the security also. We change the configuration such as port for the connection from the coding, for example C#. It will talk to the database by port number also. Thank you very much for your pay attention. Tomorrow I will show you how to set up the SQL Server on my PC. Thank you so much.